Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jonka video. This one we're going to be replacing the fuel vapor separator for evap. If you notice, for any 4.6 really, that your gas mileage is going through the floor, one thing that might be happening is that this separator line right here is disintegrating and it's falling apart. The older ones were made of this rubber material, and I'm unable to find it, but I heard that there was a technical service bulletin for this, and that it was updated with this part number, that in the new ones were made of this hardened plastic, so this foam stuff doesn't disintegrate. I'll post both part numbers, and I'll also post the part number that's on here, but the one that you want to get would be this one. I can't find them anywhere, but I managed to find this one on eBay by saving the listing, and two of them happened to show up, so I bought this one. You can't get it on Full Pouch Giant, and anywhere else that I tried owning say they don't have it, so I'm not even sure why they haven't as an ordered. But to disconnect these, we want to find these yellow tabs right here and push out. So there we have a flathead pushing or pulling up on that yellow pin, and then we should be able to just pull it out. You know, this was easier last time. And of course, while I was doing that, I broke these yellow tabs on the old ones. Oh, that went on the floor. The new one, they'll just pop in, and so there should be no really toolless here. Then we can connect this. And there we go. There's our new line, and then we can go ahead and connect this electro connector that was in the way. And there we go. And here's our old one. Port number for this one is 5W13 TAC 90289 TAC AA. It's dated 10/17/2005. So yeah, that is an original fuel separator. Anyway, that is it for this video. Sorry I couldn't get a video of me breaking those clips off. Really wish I had a phone mount. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.